You're trying to promote your business online? Sure you are. But let's face it, you're not a developer. And you're not a graphic designer. And you don't have the time to send out personalized messages or to brief different marketing agencies. But do you really need to? With GetResponse, you don't. GetResponse is a complete online marketing solution tailored to your needs, helping you to achieve your goals. Create stunning pages with just a few clicks, or responsive emails with an easy drag-and-drop builder. No HTML skills required. Send your messages automatically, directly to your customers, and save yourself a whole lot of time and stress. Think you can't afford it? Sure you can. Visit GetResponse.com and start your 30-day free trial. Get leads, get sales, get growing. GetResponse.